What's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. This video is meant to be for some of the new members who are joining the Discord. You guys are getting access to that lifetime gold package. That is going to come with the entire community, all of the trading channels. It's going to come with the live trading where I'm live on audio as well as screen share each and every single morning. It's going to come with daily watch list, one-on-one coaching and mentorship calls personally directed to you. We can come up with trading plans, risk management plans, psychology plans, as well as strategy guide coaching. But one thing that I have started to do is kind of migrate and refresh a lot of the content that was on Evolution Traders website and kind of bringing that over to Discord. I'm reshooting everything. It's going to be the same lessons. I'm going to add new lessons and I'm going to expand on the old lessons. So I've already started filming. I've already started putting them in there lesson by lesson. I want to kind of show you guys exactly what's going on here. So the first lesson that I have is Evolution Traders theory. It's the chart setup, right? So this is how I'm setting up my charts. This is what's on my charts. This is the time frames that I'm using. This is everything that you guys see on my charts explained so you guys can have a better understanding. The next lesson is going to be, what is the thought process on my theory? Okay, so I have a very specific theory as when it comes to where stocks could be going potentially and where they could be landing if they're going in the opposite direction. So once we have an idea of potentially where the price could be gravitating to, it gives us a better indication as to where we can take profits and where we could also set those stop losses. The next one is going to be how to find stocks and levels to trade and work with on a day in and day out basis. So there's hundreds of stocks out there on the market. Not every stock is tradable each and every single day. We got to do our homework. We got to go through the scanner and we got to look through the best looking chart setups. And from there, build a watch list with entry points and pivot points. So we're ready, right? Like, you always want to be ready, because if you come in with no plan, you're just destined to absolutely fail. The next lesson that I just uploaded a little while ago, a couple hours ago, was how to trade the first hour. So again, a lot of you guys are losing money off the first candle, the first 5 minutes, the first 2 minutes even. Some of you guys are just racing, putting on 3 or 4 trades and the market's barely opened. This is letting the trades come to you after the first 30 minutes of the market open. And I'm showing you exactly with live examples on how you can wait for these setups to come true. So that way you can just kind of sit on your hands, be patient, allow the setups to come to you, and then snipe them, take your money, and go on about your business. Because remember, we trade for the freedom of time, not just to sit here enslaved to the computer screens for 8, 9, 10, 12 hours plus a day. So again, this is where you're going to be able to find it. You're going to come to the Discord. And once you guys get inside, once you guys become those lifetime gold members, you're going to scroll all the way down. It's going to be labeled Evolution Traders Theory Course. There's going to be a lot of lessons in here. And the reason why I wanted to put it on Discord is so that way, this is where we're spending 90% of our time. We're hanging out here. We're talking here. We're trading here. We're on calls together here. When the market's closed on the weekends, you can always come back and review a lesson. If you don't understand something, you're having trouble with something, you're having trouble maybe with risk management, maybe with mentality, maybe with mindset, maybe with, identifying levels that are actually valid to trade, identifying where to take those price targets from, you can come back, sit and watch these individual lessons and kind of just go over it, right? I'm a big advocate in doing a lot of back testing. I'm a big advocate in education, right? The more you know, the better well-served you are. So I just kind of wanted to throw this out there so that way you guys know how to navigate it. Again, this is for the Evolution Traders Gold members. I'm going to be updating and migrating, refreshing everything in here. That's also including on expanding on the 20 SMA scalp play. Again, because that's another type of setup. That's another type of entry that you can use to kind of pick off, these markets. But this is the whole big theory course. This is the big granddaddy master of them all. This is the one that I use on a day in and day out basis in conjunction with the 5 SMA 20 plays. But this really is the whole process. When you all really bundle it together with the 20 SMAs, you're going to see what I'm talking about once you guys are on the inside. But again, just wanted to make this video for you guys. Again, like, comment, subscribe. And if you do want to join, I do have one spot left to kind of come in and get access to all of this stuff on a day in and day out basis. I've got one spot left. That link's going to be down in the description box, and I'll see you guys all on the inside.